people. I'm back. This is another baking video. Woohoo! Baking video. Okay. But first thing we're going to do for this video, we actually need to use the blender because peppermints. So I shall open these. Or not. Put them in. I'm having my dad help me with the blender part. And then we put the cap on. And it's gonna be noisy, so cover your ears. Or use the volume. Party. This is a large pile of stuff right now. And we have peppermint dust. That's great. Thanks. Wave bye. So, now I'm the star of my own party again. So wait, here's our peppermint dust. What we are going to be making is Daddy, don't listen to this. What we're going to be making is a s'more pie dip-ish thing. Move out of the way. We do not need you no more. So, I'm going to go over the ingredients. Marshmallows, chocolate chips, more marshmallows. These are dark chocolate covered marshmallows. Graham sticks, bunny graham cinnamon, graham crackers, more graham crackers, Oreos. The first thing we need to do is find some sort of thingy for the thingy in the thingy. Hang on. Okay, that took a while. Wait, is this? That's the right size, I think. But, now, I need more materials. That's not right. Ooh. I'm a little cray-cray today. Hang on. Okay, I think that's all. Butter, small bowl. Peppermint dust. Why am I so obsessed with the peppermint dust? In my piping bag. Piping bag. Okay, here's my piping bag. I have a rolling pin too. I just put it off screen for now. First thing we do is make our graham crackers. So, we take out our graham crackers. I think I'm doing this right. And we put some in our piping bag. I use a piping bag to crush stuff because I like it. Mostly because it's available to me. Okay, break open the Oreos. Oh, excuse me, I meant sandwich cream. Wait. Hold on. Okay, we opened our Oreos. Should I eat one? Should I not? Don't know. But I need to get this frosting off. Or do I? Yeah, I do. Oh, man. Hang on. Again. Ugh. Okay, that actually worked. I used a knife. No, don't touch that. Boogie, biggie, biggie, biggie. So, my Oreos will go into my piping bag. Duh. But I think I should do like 2 more. Yeah, 2 more. I shall slice your flesh off. And I'm not like cleaning them perfectly. It's not an Oreo wash here. I'm a baker. I know what I'm doing. My hands are messy. Wow, that came off clean. I like you, Oreo. Seriously? Stop. Okay. That worked better than I thought it would. Let me just put that aside and need to wash my hands again. This video is taking forever. Had to do it. I had to. You knew it, guys. Admit it. You knew I was going to have to do that. Don't you dare fall. Oreo? Oh! Flying clips. Ow. I think I might have to... Yeah, I'm gonna have to break into the other bag of graham crackers. That's annoying. Probably 2 more? Yeah. 2 more. Oops. Out of the way, box. Yay! I got it open! Cheers! Urge. Baking is messy. In case you guys didn't know. Oh. I'm definitely gonna vacuum after this. Break down, break down. Oh. Delicious. Gonna put these Oreos away. But here's where we break out. Move. Here's where we break out this rolling pin, and it's granite. Yes, it's granite. Hey, let's move to a more spacious area, shall we? Okay, we're at a more spacious area. Hey, I wish we had a wooden rolling pin. That would have made things so much easier. Let's do the blender again. Dance party. This is loud.
What else? Where is this gonna go?
I can't tell you much because it's,
No, I mean, you want to put it in a bowl?
well, I want to kind of blend it yeah, that bowl. Empty out your dang bag of graham cracker crumbs. My dad is helping me with the blender again.
Eight pieces in there.
Peppermint dust. Okay.
That's quite a mess over here.
Yeah, I know. This is a big mess. This is a big mess bake. As they call it. Where is that little thingy? The clip for this. Oh, I see it.
There you go.
Thanks. I'm trying to start clearing out the items that I don't need anymore so that, like, doesn't make too much of a mess.
Do you need the blender?
Yeah, maybe unplug it for now.
You just need to
Ragoose.
be careful because it gets dust all over here.
Okay.
And we can edit out me talking, I guess.
Why?
That seems weird.
No, it doesn't.
That's it?
Wait, can you unplug this? Okay, so guys, this is our mess. Gonna grab a spoon. Hallelujah. Graham cracker medleys, graham cracker medleys. Don't I sing? So amazing. Listen again. Graham cracker medleys, graham cracker medleys. I sound awesome. This is uneasy. This is very uneven. No, don't follow me, no! Ugh, I need this. Some butar. I think that's enough. Let me see. Yeah, stop. Stop clinging to my finger. I'm a pro. That is not enough. Hey, you guys, want to know this weird obsession I have? Eating butter. Like, just butter. Straight up butter. Especially if it's cold. Oh, wait. And then we need our Oreo guts. Heh. I'm a witch. I'm using people's guts. Except Oreos aren't people. Unless you guys have an even more unhealthy obsession than me. Do you? Hee hee, write in the comments. No. There is no comments allowed on this video. And trust me, it's not my fault. YouTube told me I couldn't have any comments. I was very enraged at them. This is junky. So yeah, I'm mixing this up. Getting out any chunks. Sorry, I had itches there. I need more. I want more! I want more! I want more! I want it now! I was in a Willy Wonka play one time. That was a good 3 days. No, 2 days. Get off me! Leave my finger. Leave. No. I'm so good at this. I totally know what I'm doing. Hey people, suggest me for Kids Baking Championship. Ooh. Yeah, it wouldn't be good because I can't use the ovens. So. Well, it's not that I can't, I just don't want to. Sorry, but I have a fear of ovens. Hee hee. Oh, wait. There's some more Oreo guts. That's what an apron's for. And I just realized I forgot 2 ingredients. Okay. Sugar and fluff. Ow. Didn't it say this was supposed to be an easy open? How is that easy? Oops. Oh. Well then. Okay, let's not put that in the way. Should I put fluff in here? I'm going now, but maybe? Hey, any of you guys like star bakers out there that are watching me? Feedback, please. And remember, I know you guys are probably typing up stuff You're doing this wrong. You're doing this wrong. You're doing this wrong. But I don't use an oven, so I have limitations, people. Grr. I know I've been working in silence. I'm sorry. But interesting. Interesting and delicious. Oops. Cross your fingers for me, peeps. That's all I'm doing. Okay. Wow. That tastes so delicious. I'm proud of myself. Okay. Now, my teeny bowl. Oh, guys, look. The peppermint grindings got moved. And okay. If you guys want to ask me what I'm doing, don't, because I don't really know either. Yeah, I kind of get it. Oh, and just so you know, this was not a recipe I got online. If I did copy anyone's ideas or copy someone exactly somehow, I'm sorry, but it was not intentional at all. So if I copied you, I'm real sorry. Just know it wasn't intentional. We're all good? We're all good. Okay. These marshmallows have been in here so long that they literally crushed together. It's quite funny. My sweet tooth is always so satisfied after these bakes. It's like, delicious! Yum! Marshmallow. Okay, I'm hitting the microwave. Cook up, babies. Heat up. Yeah. Let me go grab that. Whoops. That wasn't intentional. Why did I only grab one glove? I am a cuckoo crazy human. Wow. That looks yummy. Okay. That looks delish. But need to mix it. Wow. Ooh, hot. Yeah. Whoa, sticking to me there. Hey, stop. Don't want to touch that, maybe? It's hot. I am a minnow. I am a minnow tonight. Okay, we're going back in the microwave. Okay, I just skipped a lot. I dipped some graham sticks in chocolate. Ow. And put little peppermint dust on them. Tee. Yeah, I kind of made you guys miss a lot. I'm sorry. Gosh. My loves. Okay. Whoa, hot. Hey guys, it's hot. Oopsie. Okay, I need to just let that cool off for a bit before I can pour it onto the pie. Some more pie. And while that's cooling, I'm gonna put some peppermint sprinkles. Peppermint rules the world. Like I said, guys, this is my own recipe. So if you copy, I will sue you. No, I won't. Just please tell me if you try it. Because you totally can. Just tell me because I want to know. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna try. No, I should probably wait till it separates a bit more. Whoa. Well, that's separating. I'm going to put in some marshmallow clumps. Whoa, that's a big marshmallow clump. The marshmallows are actually still pretty good. They're just super firm and sticky. Well, all marshmallows are sticky, but yeah. Stop. They're actually not really sticky enough. Come on, drop. fun, cool. Don't worry, it's not over. I was just saying that let go part was fun. Now it is a bit annoying to spread around. And like I said, you pro bakers out there, add your own twists. Just tell me. Because I will always haunt your dreams. Wait, but that wouldn't really be a dream if I was haunting it. It would be a nightmare. That looks like an enormous poop. So I'm attempting, failing to spread it out. Okay. Then, more peppermint powder. Peppermint powder. Anyone? Want some peppermint powder? And this is sugary. Oops, that wasn't good. Fluff balls. Hold on tight, my dear. Okay. Get out of there, chocolate. Enormous fluff ball. Get off. Then guys, what do we add? More peppermint. This thing is only like half an hour, but it took me about 1,000 years. Don't be fooled by editing, my pals. Oop. There's a tiny bit left. Stop. Wow. First, oh, no. Hey, have you guys ever noticed how, like, I try to tell stuff, no, don't do that. And they never listen. I wonder why. It's totally not because they're inanimate objects. They can't listen. So good. I'm spreading apart marshmallow right now. For it to go on top. And hang on while I clean up. Okay guys, that's the video. Hope you liked it. I sure did. Tastes good. I wrapped it all up. Here's the final. thank you for taking your time to watch this video. That sounded bad. And I have a whole lot of cleanup to do. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.